Hey y'all, it's the Country Notary. Hope you're having a great day. As always, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Just recorded a short video today of some renovations that I'm getting done at my house. I've done a couple of videos on this topic, and just wanted to share with you guys some things that are going on in my world. It's a Country Notary. I have a home renovation project. It's going nicely. Putting paint on the wall and deciding how to texturize or not texturize the ceiling. Those things were actually very stressful, as well as picking out granite countertops, which are very expensive. So you really think about every detail because you're thinking about your budget, as well as the maybe a lifetime look in your home. So all decisions are weighted very carefully. So the progress is going along quite well. Put this down for a second. My contractor Alvin is doing a great job, and this week we're going to start flooring, so it'll be very exciting. Flooring, yes, very exciting. Please post your comments or questions in the comments of this video, and I'll get back to you on anything that I can help answer on doing your own home renovation project and being your own superintendent slash manager of the project. That's the project manager. I'm going to show you a little bit more video of our progress and how things are going, and then I'll give you guys an update at some point real soon. So as you can see from earlier, all the walls have been repaired, sheetrocked, drywalled. They've been texturized, primed. The paint primer ceiling was finished yesterday. It has a real country chic feel to it, which is really what I like. I had to think about it for a while. I didn't know if I liked it at first, but then I thought it really does have its own design element, its own textural design element, so I kind of like it. I think it'll play off real well off the granite countertop that I picked out. So, but this is not exactly a modern new home texture, but it actually keeps the character of the house based on how my parents first built it back in 1973. So here we go. The rest of the work is being done. You can see where the new paint starts and the primer stops. And it's a very subtle gray. It's called Country Chic. I'm sorry, it's actually called chic gray. Chic gray. I threw in the country part myself. So paint will be done probably today, and we have to start flooring and some trim work. Flooring and trim work starting either tomorrow or Friday. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any questions, like I mentioned, please contact me. I'd be happy to share any info that I've learned and the direction that this project is taking me personally, and how it's affecting my business and actually helping me grow my business as I get into real estate and my interest in investing continues to grow, and I continue to feed that interest. It's the Country Notary. Thanks for watching. Talk to y'all soon.